During the gold rush, most people didn't get rich digging for gold. They got rich selling the tools, the shovels, the picks, the jeans, the supplies. And 200 years later, nothing has changed. The only difference is gold is now digital, and most people are still digging. Everyone today is chasing something: clients, views, followers, crypto, e-commerce, freelancing, SMMA. They are digging, they are working harder, they are hustling louder, they are posting more. But very few ask the most important question: who is selling the shovels? Listen, every generation has its gold rush. In the 1800s, it was gold. In the 2000s, it was websites. In the 2010s, it was social media. And now, it's online business. And just like before, most people run in thinking, I just need to work a little bit harder to strike the goal. But effort alone has never been the strategy. Instead, it is positioning. Most people are running agency, freelancing, chasing for clients, fighting for attention. And just like the old days, it is same as digging for gold. They are all digging around the same ground looking for the gold. But above them are people who are selling courses, selling software, selling tools, platform and infrastructures. Those people don't depend on luck. They profit from volume. So whether you win or you lose, they still get paid because they build what you will need no matter the situation. They build what you will need in your gold digging journey. And the truth is, digging the gold feels noble. It feels like hard work. It feels like progress. It feels like you are earning it. And selling shovel is truthfully uncomfortable because you have to build, you have to think in the long term, you have to create something useful. And there is no immediate validation to what you're doing. And that is why most people dig and very small people quietly build leverage. And look closely to how the pattern goes. Creators are selling tools to creators. Founders sell platform to business, and developers are selling infrastructure to startups. They are not competing for the scraps. They are enabling the entire ecosystem. And when the rush grows, they grow. When the rush slows down, they still exist. That is resilience. And that is leverage. The goal is not to shame digging. The goal is eventually stop digging to ask the right question. What tools do people like me need? What pain shows up again and again? What could I build once and use it many times? That is how you step out of the crowd and step into ownership. Most people spend their life digging and few decide to sell shower. I'm documenting my journey as I learn to build tools, softwares, and systems instead of chasing for the next gold rush. So if you're interested in thinking the long term, subscribe and follow along. No hype, no shortcuts, just leverage.